Heading on your first luxury cruise? Here are 5 tips to help. Tip number 1. Book early for the best cabins. Luxury cruises often have limited availability for the most desirable suites, so booking early ensures the best selection. Tip number 2. Take advantage of concierge services. Utilize the onboard concierge to arrange special dining reservations, shore excursions, and personalized experiences. Tip number 3. Plan your shore excursions in advance. Popular excursions fill up quickly, so it's best to book them ahead of time to secure your spot. Tip number 4. Dress for the occasion. Bring both casual and formal attire, as luxury cruises often have elegant evening events and formal dining nights. Tip number 5. Don't overpack. Luxury cruises typically offer laundry services and feature casual elegance, so you won't need an outfit for every day. Bonus. Tip number 1. Pack for relaxation. Think swimsuits, cover-ups, sun hats, and stylish sunglasses for lounging by the pool in style. Bonus. Tip number 2. Include cruise-specific accessories like a foldable beach bag, quality sunscreen, and comfortable yet fashionable shoes for exploring the ship and shore. Bonus tip number 3. Evenings can get chilly at sea, so pack a light jacket or wrap for those breezy nights on deck. With these essentials, you're ready to enjoy your first luxury cruise in style. Bon voyage. Subscribe for more luxury travel tips.